So our topic for our learning objective is learning objective 2, and it basically talks about tort and product liability. And tort law is basically saying like any damages that a person creates or a company gives to another to damage someone else's property or buildings, and it causes injury. Tort can either be unintentional or intentional. And unintentional damage to someone's property or buildings or belongings is called negligence. And also, product liability is basically when a company puts a product out into the market, it has the possibility to harm another person. And it would make either the company or the person liable if they filed for a case in court. In recent years, many companies have been put to court because of product liability, and either whether they knew it or they didn't. And this has caused millions of dollars being taken out of the company because people have been found, or the company has been found guilty of defective products. And recently, in years, products have been liable. There have been strict product liability laws, which means that it doesn't matter if the company knows who's at fault or whether they knew the information that it would harm them or not. The company would be at fault. And insurance companies think that more laws should be able to protect companies, and consumers believe that more laws should be enacted to protect themselves. One example of a court case being or tort or product liability is military earplugs. There's been an ongoing case since 2022 about earplugs that were marketed to basically shield your ears and protect them from gunshots or whatever that would harm your ears. And in the end, it turned out that the product didn't work, and it caused deafness as well as hearing damage. Another example would be
Right. Another example is when in 2015, when a company called Trek Bicycles, they had an issue with their front wheel disc mechanism. So what that basically was, it caused the wheels to worn out fastly, and this was a big issue that took the company to court in 2015. And the company basically took measures to improve their disc brakes later. So that was the second example. So let's get to the discussion questions. So the first discussion question is, how does advancements in technology affect the product liability? So, and what measures should be taken to improve that? That's the first question, and the second question is, it's actually opinionated. It's actually opinion based. So let's say a person falls down from a bike, and the problem is because not because the person doesn't know how to ride a bike, it's because the manufacturing defect. Should the person be liable, or should the company be liable of this person falling down? That's the second question. And then the third one is, um, should product liability be expanded to protect the consumers or to protect the company? So these are the three questions, and think about it. Answer.